Hello everybody, my name is Mishti Parag Gangwal, class 4B roll number 36, Satidi. I am going to make a dish. My dish name is sandwich paneer tikka roll. So come on, we will start it. So now my ingredients are tomato ketchup, bread slice in circle, the cucumber slice, paneer slices, tomato slices, red chili powder and salt mix, jeera 1, black salt, yellow shave, coriander and this stick. So come on, let's start it. Now first we will take some yellow shave and put on it, and some we will take the coriander and we will put on it. Now we have done it and we will put it aside. Then we will take a plate and then we will take two bread slices and put it, and we will put the tomato ketchup on it. So here is two slice ready. Now then we will take some yellow shave. We will put on it. Then we will take some coriander and we will also put on it. Then we will take red chili powder mix with mixed salt and we will put on it. Then we will take jeera 1 and we will put then black salt. And then we will take this slice and put on it. Now we need like this one more slice, and my two slices are ready. Now we have taken this slice, then we will take tomato slice, then paneer slice, then cucumber slice and one more tomato slice. Then we will take one bread slice and put on it. We will put ketchup and we will put on it. Now this slice is ready. Now we will first what slice we make, that we will take and put on it. Now we will take the plate and then we will take the stick, and in stick we will put first paneer slice, then tomato, then cucumber slice, and then tomato slice. Now this is done. Now we will put the slices in the stick. Now I have put it in. Now what we do here, that also we should do in the same side. Now I have put it like this. Now we will take two slices which we will put it sauce, and then we will put at the both sides. Now this is done. Now we will take the tomato ketchup. So we will put the ketchup and we should roll it and put the ketchup. Now this is done. Now we will put it side, and what plate be ready, that we will take, and we will take this. I will put it and we will roll it. So this is done. Our dish is ready. Now I will show you my mom's feedback, how she liked it. Now I am taking my mom's feedback, and this is my mom. Mom, taste it, how it is. Mom, Mama, how is this?
So very tasty, Mishti.
Thank you, Mama. So this was my mom's feedback. So thank you, LGBT. Bye-bye.